5 alternative payment to cash you need to explore. As the popular saying goes, change is the only constant thing in life. We all know that for a very long time, Nigerians have preferred cash-based economy, coupled with some factors that have hindered the account opening processes in Nigeria, such as inability to provide the required documentation for the banking processes. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please remember to subscribe if you are yet to, and if you have, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. However, in the recent times, accessibility of cash has been in short supply, and many people have started exploring alternative payment options. So, in case you are here for alternative payment option to enable you pay for your goods and services at your convenience, I am here to give you 5 alternative payment options that are secured, convenient, and fast. They are: number 1, mobile money transfer. This method can be considered the most popular type of payment. Bank transfers can be easily done online using desktop to access the internet banking app for transfers, using your mobile app downloaded on your smartphone, use of USSD shortcodes, or even done at the bank branch. The beauty of this method is that it allows someone to make the payments from any location without being physically present. Number 2, online payment gateways. These online payment platforms have become another alternative to cash payment option. It is now popular in Nigeria and takes away the stress of paying to the cashier or bank in order to purchase your goods and services. For example, with platforms like InterSwitch, PayPal, Flutterwave, and Paystack leading the way, payment for travel tickets, hotel reservations become quite easy and convenient. They provide a secure payment gateway that allows the customer to transact without need to visit a bank or retail outlet. Trust me. Number 3, NQR codes, Nigerian Quick Response Codes, is a secure platform for merchants and their customer to make payments and receive instant value. QR code is another digital payment solution in Nigeria that enables an individual to make payment easily. QR payment option has come to stay, and people are adopting this method of scan and pay technology. The platform can be used to make transfers, pay bills, or scan and pay for goods at both online and physical stores. QR as a payment method is secure, fast, and convenient and efficient. Number 4, eNaira. Since the launch of eNaira digital payment platform in October 2021 for the purpose of allowing individuals pay for goods and services online, this Nigerian digital currency has so far been adopted as another alternative payment option for paying bills, transfer funds, and receive payment from customers. It has an advanced encryption technology that makes it secure and protects the user's financial information and transaction. eNaira is user-friendly, has low transaction fees, fast, and allows the ease of transaction. And finally, number 5, I hope everyone loved this, gift cards. This is another alternative payment option. Gift card is a prepaid card system or preloaded for future use. It is absolutely an amazing product in a bid to discourage card culture. Gift card is a prepaid card system or preloaded for future use. It is absolutely an amazing product. In a bid to discourage cash culture, gift card is a good alternative for online or in-store purchases for my happy shoppers, and great gift for beloved ones. They can be gotten from popular retail stores like ShopRite, Spar supermarket, and so many of them. As name implies, it can be gifted to loved ones for shopping. Recipients can redeem the cards at the retail stores. Yeah. Well, in the end, all the cards are convenient, fast, and secure method of cashless payments for your goods and services. You can also make use of all the five methods or decide to use your most preferred method depending on your desired choice. It is up to you to make this guided decision. It is also important to choose an option that is most convenient for you at every given time. Yeah, thank you for joining me. I hope you stay tuned for another episode of e-banking and I. You can share in the comment section which payment method is most convenient for you. Bye for now.